How to get rid of split screen on Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So split screen function is a feature in most of the Android phones which allows you to multitask. So let me show you by using the split screen first. All you have to do is go to this app tab, then tap on the logo of tab, then go to open in split screen view. After that, you will be able to choose another app and you will be able to split screen. But if you want to get rid of the split screen, what you have to do is tap on the app which you want the full, and then you will see this option of extend. Tap on it and the whole app will be on the screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.